Hi everyone, my name is Rose and this is gonna be the finale. It's the finale of the Stardew project pan, which is the project pan I created. So my plan is to bring this back next year, hopefully. But you never know what things are gonna happen. Like the past month has just been crazy for me, and hopefully I can bring this back next year. And hopefully things start to come down. But if I'll bring it back next year, like I don't know if any twists or anything, but I'll probably just bring it back. And also next year I'm gonna start over, of course, but I'm gonna still try to get through all the main characters before repeating any characters. So even the characters I did this year, I'm gonna count that towards that and still try to get through all the other ones, because I still have a good bit of characters I haven't done yet. So, yeah. And I have goal on everything but one item. All of these were really easy, but just, it's been crazy. So, I haven't had time to do makeup, to do my nails, to do, anything. So, yes. I'm finally just starting to get back into it this last, half a week, and I'm just okay, I need to catch up. I've been really late with filming too, and it's I need to catch up and get through these. So yeah. So first off is for Gus, and I have this, which goal was 20 uses, and I just barely did that today. I put it on top of here, put it on top of the wizard shadow. I liked it better before I put the yellow on top, but I had to use it, so I did that. Next is for Abigail, which was also used 20 times, and today I got the 20th use today. I'm only wearing this on my lips. This is the only thing on my lips, and it's a very thin layer. It's I literally took the wand out, wiped off the wand, did my bottom lip, and then rubbed my lips together. That's it's the thinnest layer possible, and it's still pretty bright. So I mean, it's a nice berry with blue shimmer, but it's just a little more intense than I usually like. And the cap is starting to wear away. The Scorpio sign is almost gone. So yeah, I got 20 uses on that. Next is the one thing I didn't get a goal on, which is for Evelyn. It's the little hearts. I've only used this once, and I needed to use it 4 times I think to finish off. So yeah, I'm just keep using it till he's gone, because there's only 3 more uses left. But it kind of sucks that it was just 4 uses and I couldn't get that. But literally it's been crazy, so it's it sucks, but I don't want to put myself down for not doing it, because life gets crazy sometimes, and sometimes you just can't do what you want to do, kind of thing. So yeah. Next is for the wizard, and I have the wizard eyeshadow in here, which is that one, which I used on the lid, and then I topped it with the whatever shade, the hufflepuff shade. Yes, the one for Gus, hufflepuff, by this brand that doesn't exist anymore. And then last but not least is the Gunther eyeshadow, the Ravenclaw eyeshadow by the same brand that doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, and I have this on today. I have it, I put a little bit in the outer bit, and then I put a lot more on the bottom lash, but it still has purples on it, because I did purples mostly, and then I did the blue on top, and then I did a blue super shock right here that is popping out. It's like, bam. And yeah. So, yeah. So that's everything. I made go on everything but the little hearts. But I'm still work on these until these are gone, because there's only like 3 more uses, and I'm like so close. I used these the other day though, so today I won't use them, because I use them like every other time I do my nails. And so, yeah. Today is also the last day I'm using, what is this? My Milk Kush mascara. It's just a mini, and it's been drying out, and today today my lashes looked super chunky, like, especially on this side. Like, I was like swirling around the tube to try to get some product, but it's like getting to the point where it's getting chunky on my lashes, and I'm like, I'm not for that. And the tube feels pretty empty too. So I'm gonna toss this out and start using a new mascara, a new black one. Because I always have a black and a brown open at the same time, because I switch between them pretty regularly. So, yeah. Thank you so much for joining me with this project pen. Who did it? It was like I have a playlist down below. Thank you, Christina, for joining, and thank you, what is her name? I don't know what her name is. I can't remember. I've been barely watching YouTube lately, so if I can't remember, I'm horrible with names too. But I think her channel name is like Pan It, or Pan something It, or like the name is escaping me. But I have the playlist with everyone's videos down below, and maybe I'll link both of their channels too. Which I think whatever her name is, the girl with that did the mugs and the Pan It whatever name, I'll link both of their channels, because I think those two are the only two that did it. I'll do a quick search on YouTube's. I almost said Google, to like make sure no one else did it. But yes, I'm gonna try to make sure everyone is listed down below and link their channels. And yeah, so thank you so much. I'm excited to do this project again next year, hopefully. And then I have one more idea for a project, but I don't know. Like, it would have been better if I did it like the year of 2020, but the year of 2020 was just not good for me. So I have this one idea for a project that's like 20s inspired, but like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. And so we'll see. Well, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and bye.